Okay, this is my 16-foot Sylvan Pro Fisherman that's for sale. As you can see, there is some surface rust on the trailer. It is surface rust. It is not all the way through or any real bad spots. It just needs a little bit of a paint job. The fish finder does come with it. And as you can see, that does turn on and it does work. Obviously we're not in a lake, so that's all you're going to get. The trim and tilt does work. Let's go back here. There is a trim and tilt on the side of the motor also. If you can't see it, it's right down there. Just want to make sure my water is still on. We'll start her up here. As you can hear, she starts right up. There is a good stream there, no problems with the water pump. The high-speed idle. That works fine, no problems. The gauges work. You have the voltmeter, the gas gauge. Gears do work. Goes into reverse, no problems. It is wired for an electric trolling motor. It does have a live well underneath the white hatch there. It does in the back end have an internal fuel tank. If I remember right, it's about 13 gallons. Any other questions? Give me a call, send me a text message, or email me. Thank you.